Hi friends, Erica here, back with day 19 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is Boo, and I have the creative Kathy Saunier and Mel Davis joining me today, so please be sure to check out their takes in the links below. Today I will be making a traveler's notebook spread with some mixed media. So I'm starting off with some watercolor markers. I am coloring over a plastic sheet. This is just a plastic sheet that I had from a Cricut mat that is now defunct. And I put my paper underneath so I knew exactly where to color. So now I'm just smushing, and unfortunately it's not going to be this vivid, although it looks pretty because the nature of watercolor paper is to repel water. So later I noticed that the page on the right looks a little bit different, and I end up scrapping it in the end just because I realized I used two different types of paper and it's not watercolor paper, so it looks a little funky, but it's okay. So now I'm screening some matte gel medium through this Vicki Boutin stencil, and I like matte gel because it dries opaquely like Elmer's glue, so it leaves behind this really rad texture. So it's not super obvious, but it's just enough to make it a little bit interesting. So now that that's all set, I'm taking some Shimmer's Angel Dust, no, Angel Wings, and I'm splattering it on this piece of black cardstock, sorry. And I'm trying to make it like a spooky night sky. Now I'm taking this Felicity Jane stamp, and it's from their tailor kit. And now I'm going to stamp out my title using Kerri Bradford's thick outline XL letters. And my only gripe with white ink is that it's not actually ink, it's pigment ink, so it's more like paint. So I did go over it a couple of times, but I ended up just going over it with my Uniball Signo pen, which is amazing. So I'm just fussy bleeding out the letters, and I am moving on to fussy bleeding out some of these crystals. Sorry, my hair's in the way. And I'm going to be arranging it in a random pattern above my photo. This is part of the Craft Smart Mystic Moon collection that I have been using all month, and I really love it. And folks, it's finally here! My Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. I'm so excited. My Glossy Accents bottle is officially all used up and is in the trash. So thank you to everyone who recommended it to me. I absolutely love it so far. So now that my crystals are all secure, I'm going to cut off that little excess at the top. I'm going to go in and glue down my title, and no, it's not just going to be Boo. If you have seen any of my videos, you know that I love puns. And I did see this on a shirt, and I totally bought it the other day. So I am going to hand write the top and bottom portion of the title and glue it down once I cut it out. So it's going to end up reading, I booed I want. And it's coming from a female empowerment standpoint, not like a I'm bratty and I want to have my way all the time point. So that's pretty much it. It's colorful, it's fun, got a chance to play with some mixed media, and I have some kitties in there because who doesn't like kitties? So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope this inspired you to maybe try a traveler's notebook format somewhere down the road. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye!